How we doing, kids? Okay, here's what you need to do as you make your Africa timeline. First thing we're going to do on my Moodle page, we're going to click on this link, and this box will pop up. Go ahead and hit OK. And here's the timeline template. This is something you're going to start from, and you are going to add events, but first we have to delete one. The Silk Road trade event is not for our timeline, so we're going to go ahead and delete it. Click on it, and then click on the border, and then on your keypad just hit delete, and it's gone. Do the same with the line, and it's gone as well. Okay, so at this point you should probably save the file. Go to Save As. Save it into your H drive, and make sure it's saved as an ODS file. That's right up at the top. Select that. You're going to click on Save, but I don't want to save this, so I'm going to click Cancel. Now I need to add some events, and the way you do that is by copying and pasting the other text boxes, which is a lot easier than making them all from scratch, and this way they all match. So we're going to select one, again click on the border, and then we're just going to right click, copy, and make sure you click off somewhere or else it'll copy it inside the text box, so anywhere doesn't matter, and then right click again and paste, and there's your new text box. Now something you'll need to do as you add a bunch of events here is to move some of these. So we're going to go ahead and move the Egyptian civilization one. We can't move it left to right because that would change the dates, so we're going to move it down. You can drag it like this, or use your arrows on your keypad to have a little more control as you move it down. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the line, click again on the blue box, and make sure it connects. Now we can put this new text box in a little better place, and we can go ahead and copy the line and paste it, and click on this line and make sure it connects to the timeline right where it's supposed to. Now when you're ready to edit this and put new information here, you want to double click on this, and that will allow you to edit this text box. Again, make sure that your line hits right at the place of your start date. Now this line is hitting here somewhere between 2,500 and 3,000. If 2,700 is right here, then this is probably going to be closer to 2,800 or 2,900. So we're going to go ahead and make that happen. 2,900 BCE. Okay, we're counting down in BCE. Now, if we make this a long event, this is something that took place over a long period of time, let's say into the current or common era. I want to make sure that lines up with my 500 CE right there. And then I'm going to change my date in here. I can just get rid of the B, add a couple zeros and a space, and now I've got a new event added. You now have space to put one here. You can put your events on the top or the bottom as long as it's arranged in a nice way. And this allows you to see how long these events last and what overlaps. Okay guys, I think you got it from here on out. Good luck.